Welcome to our guide on ensuring AI compliance using Claude Tools. In this video, you'll learn how to harness Claude's features to align your AI systems with compliance standards, identify risks, and generate audit-ready reports.
In today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, ensuring AI compliance is not just a recommendation, it's a necessity. With the widespread integration of AI systems, the risk of legal pitfalls is higher than ever, making compliance checks a crucial part of any AI strategy. Enter Claude Tools, a powerful suite designed to help you align your AI systems with the necessary compliance standards. In this video, we'll explore how to utilize Claude to identify compliance risks, set up effective checks, and generate audit-ready reports. Let's dive into how you can harness these tools to ensure your AI implementations are not just efficient, but also compliant.
Claude Tools provide a comprehensive set of compliance features that make monitoring and managing AI compliance a seamless process. At the core is its ability to automatically detect risks within your AI systems, thanks to advanced algorithms that analyze real-time data. You can customize compliance settings to align perfectly with your organization's specific requirements. The user-friendly interface ensures that even those without a technical background can easily navigate and use the tools efficiently. With these features, Claude not only simplifies compliance management but also enhances the reliability of your AI systems. Setting up compliance checks in AI systems with Claude Tools involves several critical steps. First, define your compliance parameters based on industry standards and legal requirements. Once established, implement a schedule for regular compliance checks to ensure ongoing alignment. Claude Tools can automate these checks, providing alerts and reports that help you stay informed about your AI system's compliance status. It's essential to ensure that your compliance checks are in line with legal standards to avoid potential pitfalls. Lastly, monitor the outcomes of these checks to identify areas for improvement, ensuring that your AI implementations remain compliant and efficient.
Identifying compliance risks is a crucial step in maintaining the integrity of your AI systems. Claude Tools utilize sophisticated risk detection algorithms to pinpoint potential areas of concern. By analyzing the risk reports generated by Claude, you can gain valuable insights into the vulnerabilities of your systems. It's vital to take preemptive actions based on these insights to mitigate risks before they escalate into compliance issues. Regularly updating your risk parameters ensures that your AI systems are always assessed against the most current standards, keeping your compliance strategy proactive and effective.
Claude Tools enable you to generate comprehensive, audit-ready reports that detail your AI system's compliance status. These reports are customizable, allowing you to tailor them to meet specific audit requirements. Whether for internal assessments or external audits, these reports provide a clear picture of your compliance efforts. Sharing these reports with stakeholders enhances transparency and trust in your AI systems. It's crucial to ensure that these reports meet all regulatory requirements, providing peace of mind that your compliance efforts are thorough and well documented.
Integrating Claude Tools with your existing AI workflows is a straightforward process designed to enhance, rather than disrupt, your current operations. Claude offers seamless integration capabilities with various AI platforms, ensuring you can leverage its compliance features without a hitch. This integration not only maintains the efficiency of your workflows but also enhances it by embedding compliance checks directly within your processes. Claude Tools are continually updated to ensure compatibility with the latest AI technologies, providing you with a robust solution for maintaining compliance across all your AI initiatives. Real-world case studies offer a wealth of knowledge for understanding how Claude Tools can be leveraged effectively for AI compliance. By exploring successful implementations across different industries, you can learn from the experiences of industry leaders. These case studies highlight not only the challenges faced in achieving compliance but also the innovative solutions applied using Claude Tools. Seeing Claude in action provides a practical perspective that can inspire and inform your own compliance strategies. Whether dealing with data privacy, regulatory changes, or operational integrity, these case studies offer valuable insights that can be applied to your AI systems. Maintaining compliance readiness is an ongoing process that requires diligence and a proactive approach. Regularly updating your compliance parameters ensures that your AI systems are always aligned with the latest standards. Staying informed about regulatory changes is crucial, as new laws and guidelines can impact your compliance status. Conducting frequent training sessions for your team helps instill a culture of compliance awareness, ensuring everyone is aware of their roles and responsibilities. Claude Tools play a vital role in continuous monitoring, providing real-time data and insights to keep your systems on track. By integrating these best practices into your compliance strategy, you can maintain readiness and avoid potential pitfalls. The landscape of AI compliance is continually evolving as technology advances and new ethical considerations arise. Future trends indicate a growing emphasis on ethical AI, with compliance standards increasingly focusing on fairness, transparency, and accountability. Claude Tools are adapting to these new demands, ensuring they remain at the forefront of compliance technology. Staying ahead of predicted regulatory trends is essential for maintaining compliance readiness. By preparing for future challenges, you can ensure that your AI systems not only comply with current standards but are also equipped to handle new requirements as they emerge. Claude will continue to play a pivotal role in guiding organizations through these evolving compliance landscapes. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into ensuring AI compliance with Claude Tools. We've covered everything from setting up compliance checks, identifying risks, and generating audit-ready reports, to integrating Claude with existing workflows and exploring future compliance trends. Now, it's time for you to take these insights and apply them to your AI systems. We invite you to share your feedback, questions, and experiences in the comments below. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on AI compliance and other related topics. See you in the next video.